Well, one person is dead and dozens of others injured following an explosion at a steel mill in western Pennsylvania. The blast trapped people under rubble, prompting a rescue operation. That's according to officials. Jacqueline Lee has more.
Just before 11 this morning, video captured the moment the explosion took place. Smoke seen billowing out of the U.S. Steel Clairton Works plant outside Pittsburgh.
It sounded like a really big bang. You know, at first you don't think of nothing because they thought it was the train cars because I live right there as the tracks. But then I came outside and heard all the sirens, and then there was big black smoke.
Fire crews battling flames as ambulances rushed to the scene, with some workers trapped under the rubble.
Our employees did a great job of making sure that we went in and rescued everybody that was involved, safely shut down all of the gases and utilities, and the plant is stable.
The Clairton mayor saying officials are still determining a cause for the blast.
I talked to some of the people in the union and some of the workers I know, and unfortunately they're trying to get answers as well. There's just so much going on. Unfortunately, tragedy and another sad thing for Clairton and U.S. Steel.
There is one deceased as of right now, and now a total of 10 injured.
Pennsylvania Senator John Fetterman said the explosion reminds people of how dangerous working in a steel plant can be.
The steel way of life here is sacred, and it's still dangerous, and my thoughts go only to the families that might lose people today.
The Clairton Coke Works is one of the largest U.S. steel plants in the country. The ATF is joining in the investigation. Jacqueline Lee, ABC News, New York.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.